Sarah, are there any parting words about representation?
Hmm. In interpersonal neurobiology, which is a sort of a convergent field of relational neuroscience and systems theory and psychology and psychiatry and just all kinds of neuroscience, they say the brain is always looking for integration. The brain, as soon as we get the brain system moving, then we begin, then it wants to go towards wholeness. It wants to go towards, I love this definition of the word integration because it's so apt for constellation work. Integration is an experience of all of the elements of a system being both differentiated and linked, that they get to move separately from one another in their own autonomous experience, but their autonomous experience is linked with every other autonomous experience. And I think that's what we're looking for, both as facilitators, as representatives, as clients, as we step into constellation work. It's a way of embodying this desire for integration, for linkage and differentiation. So this is something that inspires me in my work with constellations and with representatives. Thank you, Anel.
Thank you so much, Sarah. It's been a pleasure speaking to you.